Hey beauties, good morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are. It's Winnie here again in another video, and you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to be learning how to make this very easy, simple baby girl dress for a newborn baby. It is very easy to make and it is very elegant. So if this is what you like to learn, keep on watching, like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out anytime I upload a new video. So without too much talking, let's get to the honey of the video. I love you. Hey beauty, welcome to my channel. Cut the upper part. We are going to be cutting it like a dolman dress. Alright, so we're going to be cutting the shoulder and the hand together. So I folded it into two and it gave me 11 inches, and then I'm going to be measuring from the shoulder to the waistline. The waist from shoulder to the waistline is about 8 inches, but I'm going to be adding 1.5 inches to that because I want it to be puffy. So I don't want it to be too puffy, it's a baby. So I'm just going to be adding 1.5 inches to that, and I'm going to be cutting that. Then I am going to cut 2 of that for the front and for the back. This dress is not going to be having a zipper, so that is why the front and back is cut the exact same way. All right, so once I'm done cutting like so, I am going to work on the neckline. The neck width is 2.5 inches, and then for the shoulder slope at this side, I went down by 1.5 inches, and then I connected it to that 2.5 inches, and then I'm just going to slant the shoulder slope like that. So for the back neck width and the front neck width, I'm just going to be going by 2.5 inches for the neck width and 2.5 inches for the neck depth for the front and back, so that it can be free for her to wear because it is not having a zipper. But if you want your neck to be more tight, you can do 2.5 inches by 2 inches, but I did 2.5 inches by 2.5 inches for the neckline. So once that is done, I am going to measure about 6 inches for the sleeve opening because I want it to be a free dress, and then I am going to go in by about 2.5 inches, and then I'm going to curve it out like that, and that is just how to cut the upper part. It's as simple and easy as that. So what I'm just going to do is that I'm going to place right sides on each other like this, and this is how it is going to be looking. So I'm going to measure the waistline, what I have. I'm going to multiply by that by 2, and that is what I'm going to be using to cut the down part. I'm using this yellow Ankara fabric for the down part because I want to mix 2 different Ankara fabrics together. So whatever I have on that down part at the upper part, that's what I am going to be cutting for the down part also. We don't need any gather, we are just going to be using elastic to gather it. So the length that I have on the upper side is what I'm going to have on the down part, just that the length of the whole gown, you're going to remove the half length from it, and then you measure out the length of the whole gown. That will be the length of the dress. I hope you understand what I'm saying. So now I've gone ahead to cut it, and then I am going to cut out a part. So I'm just trying to trim it off so that I can know how to cut the down part properly. So now I'm just going to measure what I have here. So it's not up to what I need, so I'm just going to cut out a little piece. I'm trying to confirm my measurement. So what I have here is not up to what I need. I need it to go around, so I'm just going to cut another little piece to complete what I need. So that's what I'm doing. I measured what I had earlier, then I'm going to cut what is left plus ½ inch to join it, you understand, to complete what I need. So that is what I need to complete. So I'm just going to be joining these 2 together with ½ inch, and once that is done, I'm going to sew the shoulder, and then I'll join the down part. So I've gone ahead to sew the shoulder, and then I join the dress on one side, and then I'm going to place the upper part and the down part right side facing. I'm going to stitch it all around. So I've gone ahead to stitch it all around, as you can see, and this is what it looks like. I'm going to be using this tiny elastic to rush it together, I have cut the elastic by our waist divided by 2 plus 3 inches. So I'm just going to sew it on top of that waistline to ruche the waistline. I'm going to be sewing the elastic and I'll be pulling it, so that will ruche it for me. So which is what I have done now. Look at how beautiful it's looking already. Although it's really small, it's for my baby girl, but it's so beautiful. So now what I'm going to do is to join the other side, hem the sleeve, the neckline, and the down part. You see, I've already done that, and this was the final look. It looked really beautiful on her. Trust me, this is so simple, very comfy, and very easy to make, and very nice. If this was helpful, give me a like, and don't forget to drop your thoughts and questions in the comment section down below. Till I see you in the next video, I love you and I care. Bye.